Hi everyone, my name is Shreyan. I'm going to give you the presentation on embedded system in smart cards. Embedded system for smart card. A smart card is like an electronic wallet. It is a standard credit card sized plastic intelligent token within which a microchip has been embedded within its body and which makes it smart. It provides not only memory capacity but computational capability as well, and thus the chip is capable of processing data. Smart cards can store several hundred times more data than a conventional card with a magnetic strip and can be programmed to reveal only the relevant information. For example, it could tell a device in a store that there is sufficient balance in an account to pay for a transaction without revealing the balance amount. Therefore, unlike the read-only plastic card, the processing power of smart card gives them versatility needed to make payments, to configure your cell phones, TV, and video players, and to connect to your computers via telephone, satellite, or the internet anytime, anywhere in the world. Case study of embedded system for smart card. Smart cards currently are used in telephone, transportation, banking, healthcare transactions, and soon, thanks to the developers, we'll begin to see them used in internet applications. Smart cards are already being used extensively in Japan, Europe, and are gaining popularity in the US. In fact, three significant events have occurred recently in the smart card industry in this country. ISO uses the term integrated circuit card (ICC) to include all those devices which are integrated circuit is contained within an ISO ID1 identification card piece of plastic. Why use smart card security physical protection? It is not impossible to open a smart card physically and access data in it, but it is much harder than tampering a workstation. Logical protection provides on-card computing platform and memory storage which assures data security. Most smart card operating systems provide cryptographic facilities which allows data encryption and decryption portability. Wallet-sized cards so it can be carried very easily separating from outside world. What are the advantages of using a smart card? It is more reliable than a magnetic strip card. Currently can store 100 times more information than a magnetic strip card. Is more difficult to tamper with than magnetic strips. Can be disposable or reusable. Can perform multiple functions in a wide range of industries. Is compatible with portable electronic devices such as phones, personal digital assistants, and PCs. Is constantly evolving. After all, it incorporates a computer chip. Uh, Physical structure of smart card. Specified by International Standards Organization, a smart card must be 0.76 mm thick. The ICC is embedded on a plastic card and a thin gold plate printed circuit is embedded on top of that. The communication between the chip and the smart card reader is done through this printed circuit. Operating system in smart card. Functionality is not like Windows, Unix, DOS functionality. On-card commands to which the smart card responds. ISO 7816 describes a wide range of standard commands that card can implement. Most manufacturers offer cards with OS implementing some or all of these standards commands with or without manufacturer specific extensions such as manufacturer identification number, serial number, etc. Types of smart cards. Integrated circuit card comes in two forms. In all, there are five types of smart cards: memory cards, processor cards, electronic purse cards, security cards, Java card. Integrated circuit card come in two forms: contact smart card, contactless smart card. Contact smart card. The connection is made when the reader contacts a small gold chip on the front of the card. In general, however, the operating power is supplied to the contactless card electronics by an inductive loop using low frequency electronic magnetic radiation. The communication signal may be transmitted in a similar way or can use capacitive coupling or even an optical connection. Contactless smart card. These can communicate via antenna, eliminating the need to insert and remove the card by hand. With a contactless card, you all have to do is get closer to a receiver and the card will begin communicating with it. Contactless cards can be used in application in which card insertion removal may be impractical or in which speed is important. Smart card life cycle. There are five main steps from smart card manufacturing to its end of life. Step 1. ICC is created and tested by the manufacturer. A unique ID fabrication key is added to the ICC to protect the chip from fraud modification until next step. Step 2. ICC is mounted on the plastic card. Connection is made between ICC and printed circuit. After testing, the FK is replaced by the personalization key PK. Physical memory access instruction is disabled. Now the card can be accessed only by logical memory addressing. Step 3. Data files and applications are written by card issuer stores. Cardholder's identity or PIN, etc. Step 4. Card's application system and logical file access controls are activated for use. Accessing card information is limited by the application security policies. Step 5. Done by the application by writing the invalidation log to the files. All the writing and updating operations are disabled by the operating system. The read instructions may remain active for analysis purposes or blocks all pings. So all the operations are blocked including reads. Manufacturing and design of smart cards. The manufacture of a smart card involves a large number of processes, of which the embedding of the chip into the plastic card is key in achieving an overall quality product. The key parameters for the chip specifications are as follows. Microcontroller type 6805 or 8051, mask ROM size, RAM size, non-volatile memory size, clock speed, electrical parameters like voltage and current, communication parameters like asynchronous, synchronous, byte block, reset mechanism, sleep mode, and coprocessor. IC card, electrical characteristics. Six contacts of IC are defined as follows: VCC power supply, GND ground, CLK clock, VPP programming voltage, RST reset signal, IO serial input output. Future of smart cards. The important thing about smart cards is that they are everyday objects that people can carry in their pockets, yet they have the capacity to retain and protect critical information stored in electronic form. The smartness of smart cards comes from the integrated circuit embedded in the plastic card. Embedding similar circuits in other everyday objects such as key rings, watches, glasses, rings, or earrings could perform the same electronic function. Also, smart card readers will be appearing on the PC and will enable the user to pay for goods purchased over the internet. If you have products that have relatively low value, for example, a few pages of information about your product, that customer may pay 50 for what they may well pay you in the future. Using a smart card also a relatively new technology that already affects the everyday lives of millions of people. This is just the beginning. Soon it will influence the way we shop, see the doctor, use the telephone, and even enjoy leisure. That's it. Thank you.